Hugh Glass, American frontiersman and fur trapper, who became a folk hero after surviving a bear attack and then traveling hundreds of miles alone to safety. Little is known of Glass's life before 1823, when he signed up for a fur trading expedition backed by William Henry Ashley. Several months later they were attacked by Native Americans, and Glass was slightly wounded. In August he was scouting near present-day Lemon, South Dakota, when he was attacked by a bear. Although the animal was killed, according to some accounts, by Glass himself, the incident left him badly injured. He reportedly had a broken leg, a ripped scalp, a punctured throat, and numerous gashes. Believing him mortally wounded, the expedition leaders left two men, John Fitzgerald and Jim Bridger, to stay with Glass until he died. However, several days later Fitzgerald and Bridger decided to rejoin their group. They placed Glass in a shallow grave and departed with his weapons. Shortly thereafter Glass regained enough strength to begin the arduous journey to Cape Clearwater, near present-day Chamberlain, South Dakota, over the next 2 months. He traveled some 200 to 300 miles, 322 to 483 kilometers. Details of his ordeal later took on legendary proportions, making it difficult to sort fact from fiction. Claims that he was able to continue only by crawling at various points are almost certainly true. During his travels to locate the two men, Glass was reportedly attacked by Native Americans on 2 occasions. His legend lives on through numerous articles and books as well as several films, including The Revenant, 2015.